Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is Good Friends. Today's lecture fun, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students. Under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about masculine, feminine, and neuter gender of nouns, and we'll cover page number 19 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have already taught you about masculine, feminine, and neuter genders. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. So today we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to classify and change the gender, masculine, feminine, neuter of more nouns from immediate and extended environment. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yasin, verse 36 and 37. Exalted is He, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who created all pures, from what the earth grows, and from themselves, and from that which they do not know. And a sign for them is the night. We remove from it the light of day, so they are left in darkness. Yes, my dear students, if we think about this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us gender of nouns. You know how? All the pures. And what does pure means over here? Masculine and feminine, because for many creatures, they spread, they give birth to children. There is a mama, a baba, and this is how they grow. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created many creatures in pures. And here is a sign for them is night, day. These are neuter genders. So in these two words, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us the concept of masculine, feminine, and neuter gender of nouns. This is our today's topic. So first you tell me, what do you know about masculine and feminine nouns? Now, my dear fellow teachers, pause the video and take the answer of this question from all students. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly. I'm going to explain it to you. Do you remember what is noun? Yes, noun refers to name of a person, place, or thing. And we know everything around us which we can feel, touch, see, hold has a name, that is a noun. And that noun may refer to a person, a place, or a thing. And thing we divide into two categories, living things and non-living things. Now, when we talk about place does not have any gender. And again, when we talk about non-living things, they also don't have any gender. That's why they are called neuter. I'll explain it to you later. And when we talk about person, it refers to a pair, a male and a female. Likewise, when we talk about living things, many of the living creatures have male and female. Okay? Nouns that refer to males only means naming words which are used for males only are said to be masculine gender. Okay? Masculine gender are the nouns which are used for males only. For example, king. King is a naming word for a male. King is always a male. Bull, rooster, man. These are all the naming words we use for males only. That's why king is masculine, bull is masculine, rooster masculine, man masculine. These all are masculine gender nouns. And the nouns that refer to females only means the naming words which we use for females only are said to be feminine gender. So feminine gender are the names, the naming words used for females. For example, queen. When we say queen, queen is always a female. Cow, hen, woman. So queen, feminine gender, cow, feminine gender, hen, feminine gender, woman, feminine gender. All are naming words which we used for females only. That's why they are called feminine gender nouns. Okay, this is what we already know. Masculine, feminine, and the next is neuter gender. So what is neuter gender? Nouns that refer to non-living. Okay, non-living things are said to be of neuter gender. Basically, beta, neuter means none. They don't have any gender. Neither they are male nor they are female. That's why we call them neuter gender, and they are non-living things. Its examples are table, swing, cup, boat, and many more. All the living things, non-living things around you are of neuter gender. They don't have masculine or feminine gender. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, so it's a time to check it. And how do we check? We check it through an activity. There is a very interesting activity in your book. All of you open your book. Question number 7. What will we do? Here you have given a word puzzle and a word bank. What will you do? You will find 5 masculine, 5 feminine, and 4 neuter nouns. This 4 has not been written in your book, but because we have here 14 words, that's why 4 are neuters. What you will do? You will find a masculine noun and you will circle it with green color. You will find feminine, you will circle it with blue, and neuter you will circle with red. Okay, for example, here boy, already it's done for you. It's we know it's a masculine noun, so we have circled it with green. Now all of you take 3 colors, put it on your table, read all the nouns carefully, find it in the word puzzle, circle it using correct color. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy your activity. I'm going to do for myself. Let's see who wins. Yes, my dear children, are you done? Okay, I have also completed it. Now see here, boy, king, bull, rooster, and stag. All are masculine. That's why we have circled it with green. You have also circled it with green. Good. Girl, queen, doe, hen, and cow are feminine. We have circled it with blue color. And fire, table, pen, kiwi, they are neuter. We have circled it with red. And this kiwi, yes, I want to make a point over here. This kiwi, this is not the kiwi bird. This is kiwi fruit, a tropical yummy fruit. Have you eaten it? If not, you may watch it or you may go to market, find it what type of fruit it is. Okay, so fruits are also neuter. Are you done with it? We enjoyed doing it. Okay, now it's time to practice further. The different ways of forming gender from masculine gender to feminine gender. Now we know we can write a masculine for a feminine and a feminine for a masculine. How do we do it? The first thing is, the first method is by changing masculine gender noun entirely. This is what we have so far practiced. For example, father, mother. Now these 2 words are entirely different. Boy, girl, bull, cow, and many more examples we have already studied. The next way is by adding the letters es or double s to the masculine gender noun. What do we mean by it? You will see a masculine gender noun, and by the end of that word, when you will add ess or ss, it will be converted into feminine gender noun. For example, poet. Poet is a masculine noun. When I add ess, it becomes poetess, which is a feminine noun. Prince, princess. All right, here I have added double s. Here I have added ess. So this is how I'm converting a masculine to a feminine. Okay, the third method is by changing the spellings and adding the letters ESS or SS. Here we have not changed the spelling of masculine noun, you see. But now what will happen, we will change the spellings of masculine noun and then we'll add ESS or SS to make it a feminine noun. For example, waiter, waitress. You see, I have removed E over here and I have added ESS. This is one of the method. Hunter, huntress. Okay, so this is masculine. To make it feminine, first I changed the spelling of masculine noun, then I added ESS. So this is the third method of changing a masculine noun to a feminine noun. Okay, and the next one is by changing a part of masculine gender noun. Now we will not change the complete noun, but just a part will change and masculine will be converted into feminine noun. How? Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Now in-law is same in both nouns, but father, mother. This is masculine, this is feminine. And the other example is headmaster, headmaster, headmistress. Headmaster is masculine, headmistress is feminine. Okay, there are more ways to convert masculine to feminine which we'll learn later. So far we have learned 4 methods. So I hope you are clear with them. Okay, so let's practice it. All of you open your book on page number 19. It's question number 8. You have given again a word bank and you are required to change the gender of the following nouns. Before changing, you have to identify as well. You will read the noun. It's Drake. Drake is a masculine. So you will make 2 columns in your notebook, a masculine noun, feminine noun. Masculine you will list here and you will leave the space to write the feminine of this masculine. The second is doe. Doe is feminine, so I have written it in feminine column, so I will write its masculine over here. This is first you have to separate them and then you will have to write the relevant feminine or masculine noun for this given noun. Are you clear? Okay, smart you are. Now pause the video and complete this exercise in your notebook. I'm going to check it. Quickly do it. Yes, all of you are done. Good job. So let's see you have done it correctly. Drake, duck, doe, deer or stag. It is also stag. Stag is also a masculine noun for doe. Mother-in-law, father-in-law. Fox, vixen, emperor, empress, ram, sheep, actor, actress, poet, poetess. So this is all what we have learned, the 4 rules we have applied and we have converted the masculine nouns into feminine and feminine into masculine. You are done with it. Good job. Okay. So what we are going to do, I'm giving you a homework. Observe your immediate environment and write 5 masculine and 5 feminine and 5 neuter nouns in your notebook. I'm giving you a project. It's given on page number 20 of your book. What you will do, you will find pictures of 5 masculine, 5 feminine and 5 neuter genders and paste them on a chart. The way I have shown you pictures, likewise you will collect, you will paste them on a chart, name each noun and use them in your sentences and then present your work in your class. And what I suggest, this is your weekend project. By coming Monday, you will bring this chart and will present it in your class. And I'm giving you again a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation is given. You may click it and kindly give a printed worksheet to my students for practice. And students, what you will do? Again, here is a word bank. So you will write masculine gender here, feminine here, neuter here, and once again, you will convert masculine into feminine and feminine into masculine the way we did our classwork. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned that nouns that refer to males only are said to be a masculine gender. And nouns that refer to females only are said to be feminine gender. Nouns that refer to non-living things are said to be of neuter gender. The different ways of forming gender from masculine gender to feminine gender are by changing masculine gender noun entirely, its example is father and mother, boy and girl. By adding the letters es or ss to the masculine gender noun, its example is poet and poetess, prince and princess. By changing the spelling and adding the letters es or ss to the masculine gender noun, its example is waiter, waitress, hunter, huntress. And by changing a part of masculine gender noun, its example is father-in-law, mother-in-law, headmaster, headmistress. Right? So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO. That is to classify and change the gender masculine, feminine, neuter of more nouns from immediate and extended environment. Yes, my dear students, are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.